How to remove friends on Snapchat fast on iPhone. So basically, you just have to go to your Snapchat application directly and it will lead you to your camera area. Upper left, you'll see your profile icon there. Tap on that and scroll down up until you see the friends section, and you'll see two different options there. You will see add friends and my friends. Just tap on my friends there, and basically you will see your friends or contacts in Snapchat. Now the next thing that you want to do is to actually choose an account that you want to actually unfriend or remove friend. So just tap on, let's say, this one. Just have to long press that person's name, then go to manage friendship and tap on remove friend. And then, are you sure you want to remove that friend as a friend? Then just confirm, and basically you have now successfully removed friends on Snapchat fast. Now if you want to actually remove a lot of friends at once, you cannot do that. So you can only remove one friend at a time. And basically, that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.